This is the all-new 2025 Kia K4, and trust me, you're going to want to see this. How does it handle? Is it really as quiet and refined as they claim? Well, today we're taking it for a real-world drive. Behind the wheels of the all-new 2025 Kia K4, how does it drive? How does it feel? And is it worth your attention? Let's hit the road for a full POV test drive.
Honestly, the sport mode feels really good. Oh my god, see? Taking it through the corner, the steering wheel is really good. Put it like this, see? I don't really feel the difference in handling between sport mode and normal mode. The steering wheel feels the same. The acceleration, the pedal is still, it doesn't feel more sensitive. It still feels exactly the same. Oh, we're gonna take it through this curve right here. So, I don't really notice the difference between sport mode and normal mode. I don't think this car is necessarily for that as well. So, you know, let me change it to normal mode. Feel the pedal. Oh, calm down, bro. Feel the pedal. See? And change it to sports mode. Feel the pedal. And it's a bit responsive, a bit more responsive. I also like that they put this mode button here. The car seems, you know, driver focused, and I like it. Suspension is really good, man. For a sedan, the suspension is awesome, man. Soaking up all the bumps like it's nothing, man. Whew. Honestly, I'm enjoying this car, man. I can't complain. I can't complain at all. Let me slow down a bit, man. I'm going to get into everybody's area, so let me take it down a notch, man. But honestly, overall, this car is great, man. I love how it drives, man. I don't know what Kia they're doing, but whatever they're doing is working, man. It's really nice. Whew. And brake. We'll do a brake test soon. Nobody come out. Alrighty. Nobody. Okay, turn in. Alright, so we'll do a brake test at the stop. There's a stop sign coming up soon. So we'll do a brake test there. There's a stop sign there. We'll do a brake test at 50 kilometers per hour. Ooh. Yeah, it'll be rainy today, but still. Everybody ready? No car behind us. 3, 2, 1. Let's just say about 45. We didn't do it at 50. At 45, sorry. Baja, what do you think of the car?
It's nice. It's actually nice.
Okay.
At first, I was wondering why I couldn't really feel the heated seats, but it's because it was low.
Kia's newest sedan is here. But how well does it handle rough? Today, I'm testing out the suspension of the 2025 Kia K4 to see if it's smooth and refined or stiff and unforgiving. Honestly, the suspension of the car really surprised me. For a sedan, I didn't expect it to be this quite soft. Honestly, I didn't expect it at all. Like, the suspension is quite soft. It soaks up bump really good for a sedan. Honestly, Kia, I'm surprised. I keep saying it, I'm surprised, but I am actually surprised, man. You guys are doing something. That's great. If you look at the exterior of the 2025 Kia K4, if you come here, bro, look at how the car looks, bro. It looks so sexy. I just like how everything, the car is sportish, man. I don't know how to explain it, but you know, coming over here, I like the headlight. I like how it looks. Plastic here, chrome. It doesn't, like, everything complements one another, man. I like how it looks. I like, it's good. You know, there's no crazy, like, aggressive line. Just one here, one line here. That still makes it look quite aggressive and aerodynamic. I'm all about it, man. Let's come to the side. Coming to the side, we have this 17-inch alloy wheel that's both silver and black coated. I like how it looks. The side views, there's something about the car that I can't explain. It just is. It looks great. It looks nice. You know, the clothing that goes all around. You know, the mirror. Everything just complements one another. Even them putting the door handle here like this. It's like, it's so good. Like, see the way the car just slants. Take a look at the back side. The back side of the Kia K4. Bro, it just looks beautiful. It just looks good. Like the tail lights right here. Like, see the tail lights? Nice. You know, everything just like complements one another. I mean, except for the plastic. I feel like they chipped out here, but hey, it's the exterior. And it looks nice. I'm all about it. Kia, I don't know what you guys are doing. I don't know who your design team is, but give them a raise, man. If I'm to grade the exterior of this Kia K4, I'm gonna give it an A as well. Kia, you're doing good things. I want trench coats. That's what I want. Honestly, I would have thought they would have trench coats here or a nice variety. But honestly, I'm stuck. Alright, so we found nothing. We're gonna leave. I didn't find anything I like. I didn't find anything I wanted. So we're gonna leave. What the hell is this? But one thing I'm coming back for is the furniture stuff, but not now. This is nowhere. Precise and responsive or light and vague. Today I'm testing out the steering wheel of the 2025 Kia K4 to see if it delivers that perfect balance of control and comfort. Honestly, it's very, very responsive. I didn't expect this for bro. It looks like I'm driving like a madman, but it's very, very responsive. I want to see if there's a difference between it and sports mode. Let me change the sports mode. I don't think it got heavy. Let me see. There's no difference between it and sports mode, but bro, the steering wheel is very responsive. I'm all about it.
The 2025 Kia K4 brings a bold new design, but does that style come at the cost of interior space? Let's step inside and see if it's roomy and comfortable or tight.
The interior is quite spacious, man. Like, I got into the car, it doesn't feel like a sedan. I'm in it, like everything. The back seat even feels quite spacious, man. Look at the back. I mean, the rear view is not the best, but you know, the blind spot is really good. I'm all about it, man. I'm enjoying this car, honestly. And bro, why is the camera so close? I'm enjoying this car, honestly, but it's a nice car. I didn't expect this from Kia, man. Let's go. Look at the interior of 2025 Kia K4. Alright, come on. Come in here. We have soft touch leather, soft touch, a bit of plastic. Not too crazy. I'm happy there's a lot of soft touch. We have heated seats and heated steering wheel right here. Window control, a small cubby space here, you know, the safety system here. Bro, I know it's obnoxious, but a big ass screen, man. It's a big ass screen, but we'll come back to the screen. Let's come to steering wheel, heated steering wheel, leather steering wheel. It feels really nice, you know. We have your hands-free driving system and your cruise control system, and your drive mode selector is here. Alright, so coming to this gigantic ass screen that we have here, you know, we have the digital gauge cluster here and, you know, infotainment screen here. But this digital gauge cluster and this, they all share the same, you know, the same body. I like it. It's obnoxious, but I like it. You know what I'm talking about. Come on, let's continue. So here we have the climate control, wireless charging pad here, ear selector, this place, you know, for backup camera and whatnot. Turn off. 2 cup holders, a sunroof right here, and okay side storage. It's not deep, but it's good. And I also like this design right here. I don't know what this is, but Kia, you're doing something good. All right, let's take a look at the back seat, guys. Here, I know there's hard touch, a bit of soft touch. I wish the same soft touch came to the back, but hey, what can I say? Decent leg room, honestly, for sedan. That's good. Headroom is good as well. Decent. Here we have vents. I like to see vents in the car. This is great. 2 USB Type-C ports and a cubby space. That's nice. 1 back pocket. I don't know why they always do this. 1 back pocket, but cool. It's okay. And then here, there's no place to put cup holder and whatnot. Just a small cubby space right here. But that's basically no heated seat, nothing here. Let's take a look at the trunk. It was already open, obviously, man. I couldn't. The car is just leave me alone. Continue. As you can see, it's deep, man. See, let's do the AB trunk test, bro. See, I can literally spend the night in this bitch. See this? See, it's so deep. Like, see, bro. That's a pad. Wow, the struggle. Create the interior of this Kia K4. This Kia K4. I'm going to give it. Bro, honestly, the interior is so good, I'm going to give it a A. We need to get some things for Patricia, you know, to help her with not feeling too well. Guys, let me give you relationship advice. I'll be your cupid right now. When your partner is not feeling well, the small things matter. Even when they are feeling well, it matters as well. Be secure to make Patricia happy as well, you know. Don't always recording my video. This is the least I can do.
Kia claims the 2025 K4 sound system delivers a premium audio experience. But does it really? Let's crank up the volume and see if it's a jam session or letdown.
As we try the media system right now. This is what the media system sounds like. It sounds so okay. It actually sounds so, I don't know what sound system this is. I'm going to search your tweet, but the system sounds so good. Kia, you're doing something right.
How nimble is the 2025 Kia K4 in tight space? Today I'm testing its turning radius to see if it's a breeze to maneuver or struggle to whip around.
Turning radius of the Kia K4. That's blind spot monitoring also. That's nice. Alright, wheel all the way. And away we go. Away we go. Obviously the street is small. I didn't expect it to do it, but it tried. It almost did it, yeah? Almost did it. Backup camera quality is nice as well. That's good. Alright, come on. It's good. Okay. Alright, so we're about to head to the dealership. You know, we're done the day and everything. And I want to talk about whether or not you guys should get this Kia K4. And honestly, Kia, oh my, they surprised me so much. The car is so good. Everything about the car, it just feels like you're in a $100,000 car. It's a great car. If I'm to grade the overall experience of this car, I'm going to actually give you an A, honestly. Surprised me so much. You guys should check out the 2025 Kia K4. I'll see you guys on the next one. Be your boy, AB No Limit. Peace out.